Want to build an employee performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Employee performance metrics across departments. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our Excel file into Bricks. The data uploads instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Watch as Bricks AI analyzes our employee data, identifying key performance patterns and relationships. The artificial intelligence is examining tasks completed, performance ratings, hours worked, and departmental metrics to determine the most meaningful visualizations. It's creating charts that reveal insights about task completion rates, performance trends over time, and departmental comparisons. The system is building interactive widgets that will help managers understand team productivity and individual employee contributions. Our employee performance dashboard is complete with 5 dynamic charts and 2 summary tables showing tasks assigned versus completed, monthly performance trends, and top-performing employees. We can instantly customize the theme to match our company branding. Now, let's explore presentation mode, which transforms our dashboard into a full-screen executive briefing. This clean interface removes distractions and highlights key metrics perfectly for team meetings and stakeholder presentations. We can navigate seamlessly between different sections while maintaining that professional presentation look. Back in edit mode, we can scroll through all our interactive widgets and make real-time adjustments. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.